This video is intended to guide you through the step-by-step procedures of installing your new Aquadeck marine flooring. We'll provide you with insights into the necessary tools and offer essential tips to ensure a smooth and successful installation. It's always best to avoid installing your Aquadeck flooring under direct sunlight. Opt for installing it in the evening or within a shaded area. You'll need the following items and tools: isopropyl alcohol or a suitable degreaser, clean rags, good quality masking or painter's tape, a floor roller, rolling pin or something similar, and an Aquadeck safety cutter or craft knife. Carefully inspect and lay out all of your Aquadeck panels on a flat, clean surface, allowing them to relax and flatten naturally. Ensure your surface area is thoroughly clean. If your boat has been exposed to outdoor elements or shows any visible stains, start by cleaning your deck with soapy water and a deck brush. Once dry, use isopropyl alcohol or a suitable degreaser to wipe down the surface you'll be working on. Clean in multiple directions to ensure thorough preparation. Do make sure the surface is 100% dry before proceeding with the next stage. Firstly, lay out all of your individual Aquadeck panels in their intended positions. Ensure they fit properly and be careful to check that the patterns all align. Once satisfied with the fit, turn each panel over one at a time and score the adhesive backing widthwise using the Aquadeck safety cutter. You can use a craft knife, but be very cautious not to cut deeply into the Aquadeck panel. Then, from the score line, peel back the adhesive sheet from either side and fold it back to create creases. This will reveal a thin line of adhesive which will be used to temporarily hold the panel into position before removing the backing tape. Place the piece lightly in its designated position, resting on the folded back creases, being careful not to allow the adhesive to make contact with the deck. Position the panel accurately, ensuring precise alignment, making a note of the patterns in the material. Then gently push down so that the adhesive line between the creases makes contact with the deck to hold the panel temporarily into place. Then, using the masking tape, secure one half of the panel down, stopping just behind the secured adhesive line. Ensure the panel is taped down in multiple areas to prevent any movement from occurring. Carefully peel back the non-taped side to remove the adhesive backing while gently pressing down the material onto the surface. Avoid stretching the material during the installation to prevent distortion or improper adhesion. Once the first half is correctly positioned, firmly press down on the material, paying special attention to the edges for a tight, secure fit. Remove the masking tape and repeat this process for the other half of the panel. Continue installing each panel one at a time until complete. Then, using the floor roller, rolling pin or similar object, roll over the entire surface. On rare occasions, if air bubbles should occur, simply use a pin to deflate them and firmly press down into place. Installation is straightforward and very satisfying. After completion, do take some photos and share them with us. We would love to include them in our Aquadeck gallery. Thank you for choosing Aquadeck, and be sure to visit us at our website aquadeck.com and follow us on social media.